Igqwetha lomkhuseli woluntu likhwelela izehlela kusomlomo weParlamente uThandi Modise limtyola ngokuthatha icala kwidabi le-DA nomkhuseli woluntu.
In the interest of fairness, the constitutionality of these rules is determined, especially now that we have an expedited process where that will be done in Part B, as opposed to all the obvious harm that will befall a person in the position of the public protector.
Kodwa igqwetha likaModise lizikhabile ezitsholo ngelithi usomlomo wenza nje umsebenzi wakhe.
The rules following the decision in EFF impeachment contain screening mechanisms. The Speaker's screening mechanism, where she checks that the allegations which are made are ones which, if proved, fit the bill, and that the motion is supported by the evidence and otherwise compliant with the constitution, rules and the law.
Nalo igqwetha le-DA lithi aziyonyani izitsholo zikaMkhwebane zokuba le migaqo-nkqubo yenzelwe yena.
The rules must ensure fairness for the removal of office bearers of institutions supporting democracy, i.e. Chapter 9 institutions. Not rules for Ms. Mkhwebane, but rules for these institutions.
Inkundla isasinkonyele isigqibo. Vuyani Green, weendaba ze-SABC, eKapa.